Hey, were you a former member at 25 again and you think you still know who we are? Well, guess what? We've changed. We've added even more services, all for the better. Don't worry, we're still doing the hormones and the weight loss, but we've added primary care. What does that mean for you? One-stop shopping. With the addition of Dr. Reyes, he has taught us that over time, a lot of the drugs that people are used in for blood pressure issues, cholesterol issues, diabetes issues, is basically wearing on the liver and the kidneys and the pancreas and slowly killing you over time. He's found medications and done studies over the course of 10 years that found medications that don't do that to the liver, to the pancreas. Obviously going to be better for you in the long run. And we spend that extra time with you. If you go to your primary care, you probably get 5 to 7 minutes after you've waited an hour or two in the waiting room. We block off at least an hour and a half, now 2 hours for your first consult, and then however much time you need after that. Come see us at 25 again. You won't be disappointed.